So hello and welcome to this lesson. It's quite interesting. So you guys are watching a live uh, recording. So this is the part we're going to make. Okay, so you guys got this file. So I'll start my inventor. So by saying new and make sure if it says ENUS, open the app, go to matrix, standard, and create. Okay. So the first thing what I'm going to do is look at this shape. So this shape clearly tells me one part of it can be done by revolve, the other part of it can be done by extrusion, but I could also extrude this part. Yeah, so everything could be done by extrusion. So it's better for me to start, yeah, if I zoom, it's better to start with this part, okay, this side, and then I'll extrude this. And then I'll make this part. So this is the part I need to start looking at, okay? Okay, so would it be better? No, okay. So I'll go to new, sorry, I'll go to 2D sketch, select XY plane, and I'm going to start from the center, a small circle, and this circle is going to be, okay, I don't know, I can't see that at the moment, but okay, so there's one circle, okay, radius of 18 actually. So I will go to dimension and I will say this is radius of 18, so 18 times 2 is 36, is that right? Yeah. Okay, where did I get this information? Oh, sorry. Okay, where did I get that information? It says here radius of 18. So I'm starting with that circle, big circle, and then I'll draw a line and a line here, and I'll draw at an angle. So the angle is 95.6. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line here, and I'm also going to draw one more line from the center here, and this line is going to be a construction line. Okay, and the reason is I'm going to offset this line, sorry, mirror this line over this line, say apply. So I've got these two lines, and so I'm going to draw a line from here and tangent. So maybe I'm going too fast, let me slow down. So I could draw a line from here to there, and make sure this is tangent. So select the two lines. You see, this is the way I select. If you do the other way, it won't work, because this way, which is left to right, if you move, it's red, and that's you got to cover everything. Everything has to be, the whole sketch has to be in that red circle or red rectangle. If I do it this way, is blue. Sorry, I said blue. With blue dotted line and a green, light green inside. So all I have to do is touch. So I do touch, tangent. So this has to be a tangent. And also, we got one more line going from here, somewhere here. And I was supposed to actually mirror these two lines. So I say these lines should be mirrored over this line. Apply. Okay, so more or less, where is my, okay, more or less I've done this part, is that right? All I have to do is put this at an angle of 53 and this will be 95. So I'll put an angle from here to that point is 95. Okay, so it's 95, and this angle from here to that point is going to be 56.5. 27.37. Oops, sorry. Okay, we got a problem. So how do we rectify this problem? Maybe we need to push this here this way and bring it down, something like this. And then try the dimension again. So from here, sorry, actually 53 is from here this way. Is 56, sorry, I said 53, 56.37. Okay, and that's 95, and the height from here, this point, to that point. Okay. What I need to do is, this is, okay, from that point to that point is 45.8. And from the center is 27.8. So we need to do those two parts now. So from the center to that point is going to be 27.8. Okay. And now from this part, in order to select this part, what I could do is I could actually draw a line from that part to that part and make that line for construction and create a dimension from that part to that part. Should be 45.8. It's not accepting it. So it means something is being anchored. Yeah. And this has to be 45 point, oh, it is 45.8. Okay. So that's good. Okay, so that's more or less job done, really. Okay, and we don't have to worry about these parts because this part comes from, yeah, later on. Okay, from this. All I need to worry is about the height. Where do I get the height? So the height, it doesn't tell me how big this is in here. So I need to look in different view. What's the height? Okay, there it is. So the height is 65. So I need to say dimension from that point to that point should be, so let me see what's this. 65. Okay. Okay, that's more or less job done. And then you say finish. Okay, and I'm going to extrude this and this part together by how much? What's the extrusion? And you could actually work out this. Okay, so there it is, it's 7. So I'm going to extrude this by 7. You press OK. So we are happy with this. The next thing what I need to do is probably do this part, the handle. I need to draw a circle, and the length of this circle is 162, but you got to remember there's a small gap here. Yeah, so we need to add that. The overall, that's the height. So what will be better than in that case is to actually do this part first. Okay, so for this part, which is this handle, so if you look at it from this way, okay, what's the best thing, guys, to do? Okay, I could draw a line this way. Is that right? Simple and straightforward. So I'm going to say I am going to sketch where I need to choose the right plane. Sorry, origin. that plane, that plane not good. That's not good. I think the only one I could use at the moment is this plane. So what I could do is I could actually say draw a line from here, going somewhere here, going somewhere there, and something like that. Yeah, something that will reflect this shape. There it is. Here you go. In fact, this will be made of probably sheet metal, isn't it? Okay. So from this point to that point is 68. So that tells me from that point to that point is 68. Okay, that's good. What else do I need? Okay, so I've got a few information now. This part is 36, so the first part. Then the next part is 26. Yeah, and in middle this is 6. So really the thickness is more or less is 6. Is that right? Okay, so what I need to do, so the first part is 36. So dimension, this part, 36. Okay. All right, so I need to offset this. So the first thing I need to do is offset this part this way by 6. Okay. And delete this line. Extend this line to that point. Okay. And what I need to do, delete this. And the reason is, if you look, that's 36. So from there to there is going to be not 30 but 36. That's better. Okay. What else? The radius here is 7.5. So we do have some sort of radius here. Look at the inside and outside is different, by the way, guys. Okay, so the inside, this radius, yeah, inside here is 9.5. The outside is 7.5, but this inside radius is 1.5. So there's lots of information here. So I will go to flit and I will say first one is 7.5. Guys, remember you could get this the drawing from your team, yeah? So you need to log into your team and you'll find it in the team. And 9.5 for this. Okay. Sorry, no, 9.5 is for this, and that is only 1.5. Okay, so you have to be very careful. Here it is. This part will be 9.5, but that part will be 1.5. Okay. And that's it. So some of the stuff here, I don't have to do them at the moment. Okay. So from there to there is 26. So all right, where is this? I'm trying to find, I wanted to know what's this. Okay, so that's, there you go, that's the radius of 3.5, so that will be 3.5 as well. Okay, so again 3.5 between that and that, yeah, so you got 3.5, and from that point to that point is 26, so from this point to that point is 26. That's perfect, that's right, so we got that right. And what is the height really? Okay, so you could see the height here, 29. So from the center to that point is 29. We got something here, a small lip. Yeah, we'll do that later on. So from this center, so if I draw center line, so that's my center. I didn't pick my center, so select from the center, you put straight line, make this construction line, and dimension from that point to that point is 29 divided by 2. So now you got this is done, and we could actually close this, and we got small, so this side is a chamfer, but this side is no chamfer. Okay, so the first part what I'm going to do is just draw a line from here straight down, yeah, perpendicular, and make sure you trim this, guys, so trim. Okay, and join that part here because this is not joined. So if I turn it around, this is what I have. Okay, so we are more or less happy. So all I need to do is what? So I've drawn from starting here, so that part is done. We just have to extrude this by how much? By 25. There you go. So I need to say finish the sketch and extrude this by 25. I am quite happy. So we got small. So we just have to make sure if that's the case in the drawing. Yeah, I think that it's just fine. That's it. And then I say yes, I'm happy with this. And of course, remember, there's lots of things that need to be done here. We need to do flits, sorry, chamfer, there's flits, and we need to draw the underside, and so on and so on. I will do one more, and then I'm going to upload this for you guys so that you could start with this drawing, okay, online. So you guys been waiting. So I'm going to say start. Sorry, in fact, before that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mirror this on this side. It would be better to mirror this at the end, but I'm going to do it now. So to mirror this, I need mid-plane. Okay, so I'll say I want a plane based on that face and this face. Can you see that? I'm sorry. What did you do? I said based on this and this face. Okay, so that gives me the middle face. Okay. I don't have to have this. I don't know why I have this. I could right click delete everything. So I want park it nicely so that you could see both faces. So I want a plane based on this face, turn it around, and that face, and you get it right in the middle. So what you are saying is you want a plane based on this face and that face, so right in the middle. Okay. Okay, why do I want this right in the middle? So when I do my mirror, where is mirror? There. So I say mirror, future is going to be this, that's the future, and the features is done. mirror line is going to be, or plane is going to be this, and you say okay. More or less good. So we got a few things to do and we're nearly there. So I'm going to say sketch what's on this, and from the center, remember those two handles, sorry, this long tube is the diameter of 28 and inside is 22. Okay, and there is a hole which is 8 in there. Lots of detail, guys. This is what happens when you go for your competition. So this is 28 and there's another circle here, and this circle is 22. So I click and I say 22. Okay. This is it's not just 162. Remember, there's a small, okay, there goes 165. So this part from there to there is 165. The reason it says here 162 is this side, can you see that this hatch, this part is much thicker than this part. So this is 7 and this is not 7, the inside. Okay, so remember we need to do that later on, but now we need to extrude this by 165. So we go extrude this part by 167. Happy. And there's still, guys, lots of things to be done, lots and lots of things, but I'm going to stop here and I'm going to send you this file so that you can do.